Jake Weltzine. I'm the Senior Science Advisor for the Ecosystems Mission Area within US Geological Survey. And what I'd like to do today is give you a broad perspective of USGS capacity for predicting water availability for ecosystems and describe our integrated science approaches to help you better understand some of our capacities and hopefully engage you in the future, perhaps depending upon what your particular needs are. So with that, just a broad introduction to the issues related to water and predicting water in ecosystems. Of course, water is life, water is everywhere, water everywhere, unless there's not enough. So drought is a particular issue, but the availability of water runs a spectrum from, again, too much to too little. Today, we're focusing, of course, on drought, but USGS capacity relates to all aspects of water in ecosystems. We're talking about quantity as well as quality, toxins and contaminants, hazards as they might relate to water. We're talking wildland fire and the effect of drought on systems that create greater potential for drought, habitats such as water in of itself being a habitat where we have differential flow or temperatures affecting life history strategies of organisms that live there, and then of course the users of water and water systems. US Geological Survey has a variety of capacities for integrated hydrological research and ecosystems research related to drought and water availability. We have a variety of different mission areas, previously known as disciplines. The water mission area focuses a lot on water use and availability and prediction of water in systems. Ecosystems mission area focuses more on biodiversity, ecological services, ecosystem services. We have a natural hazards mission area that includes aspects of fires and debris flow. Core science systems, which is providing a context for the spatial and temporal patterns of water, and our energy and minerals mission area, which has particular capacities related to water use and reuse. So overall, USGS has expertise and capacity to deliver interdisciplinary and integrated science for water, for drought, for understanding of the patterns and movements of water across landscapes and waterscapes, if you will, related to research and monitoring, technology, data and modeling, and decision science and information delivery. It's really working across scales from kilometers to continents and days to decades. The work we do at USGS meets a number of strategic prioritizations that are described for the US Geological Survey or for the Department of the Interior, but also to meet national scale priorities such as the bipartisan infrastructure law, America the Beautiful, and other climate change executive orders. We have a number of projects. There's just no way I could name or mention all of the projects that we have within the Bureau that are related to water, drought, ecosystem processes, water prediction, ecosystem prediction. So I'll just give one quick example here of one that is fairly well established. It's a variety of collaborations within the Bureau working across basins stretched to span the nation, where we are interested in understanding the interactive effects of water, climate change, land use change in systems above stream gauges. So not only testing and understanding how water might move through systems above stream gauges, but also the impacts on ecological systems, fish species, water availability through space and time. So just one quick example. Recently, we've actually started to think even more about how should we be working together better within the Bureau? How can we be more responsive to our partners and their needs? And we have recently initiated a focus on ecohydrological and drought science, looking at the intersection between drought of drought and water at the intersection of hydrology and biology. There is a steering committee that's been set up and is charged to better understand the needs of stakeholders. So it's very good to be here at this listening session to improve communication and coordination, both within the Bureau, but also with partners. Again, a good rationale for this session here today. The focus is to determine and prioritize prospects for ecohydrological science and applications and identify opportunities to enhance applied interdisciplinary capacity again, in collaboration with our partners and stakeholders. So very pleased to be here today. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to the conversation and really hope to learn a lot about what your particular needs are and start a conversation about how USGS and other partners can work together to understand and predict drought in ecological systems. Thank you.